I think in terms of people understanding about our carbon emissions, it's not very straightforward. Most of the emissions in Wales actually come from big industries, so places like the Aberthaw power station, from Tata Steel, production works. Most of our emissions are generated by really big industries. And in terms of looking at the reductions then in terms of our emissions, you are right in saying that it doesn't just come down, it bounces up and down a lot. In general, people are very aware of climate change. Awareness has increased probably over the last decade, and the fact that the carbon emissions that we emit contribute to climate change. We emit carbon in so many different ways because we are heating our homes, because we're using electricity a lot more now with all the technical gadgets that we have. It's not particularly easy for people to know how to reduce their emissions. So I think we need, again, incentives from government to help us to live more low carbon lifestyles, but we need our cities to be developed in ways that help us to cycle around a lot more, to stop people from driving around in cars, to develop renewable energy schemes for communities, for houses. So there are lots of things we can do. Ideally, Welsh Government would play their part as well. Both the UK Government and the Welsh Government have got quite ambitious targets around cutting carbon emissions. Our new target is to cut emissions by at least 80% by 2050. Obviously, we had the big global Paris Agreement a couple of years ago, but I think there is a lot more that government could do to lead the way and to get people to understand what the issues are and what we can all do to work together to tackle the problem.